Yes, hello everyone. Let us begin with the lecture. Just let me check is the voice audible and the screen visible once, then we'll begin up with the lecture. Yes, hello everyone. Okay. So let us begin with today's lecture. I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online, and as we know friends, Global Online platform has launched a complete course for upcoming CTET examination 2023, and in this particular course we will be discussing the whole syllabus of the CTET examination. Now in the particular series we have started up with the mathematics paper 1 as well as for the paper 2. So in today's lecture we'll be starting up with the mensurations topic, and in that we will try to understand how to calculate the question based upon the two-dimensional structures. Question based upon the area, perimeter and diagonals will be carried out over here. Even the weak students who find themselves weak at mathematics can score maximum marks in the examination is the highlighting feature of this particular course. So for the central teacher eligibility test, a complete course has been launched for paper 1 as well as for the paper 2. If you want to get enrolled to this particular course, you can download the Global Online application from where you can get enrolled to the course, which I'll explain you in the next step. Or you can contact us on this given WhatsApp number, which is 8669316919 or 8179138413. These are the two contact numbers on which you can get enrolled to the course. The highlighting feature of this particular course will be one-on-one mentorship will be provided to you so that you can score maximum marks in the examination and can have guaranteed selection. Global Online application is available on the Play Store from where you can install the application. Once install the application, open it, you can find such type of interface. In this particular interface, if you look downwards, there is an icon named as store icon. You have to click on it. Clicking on it, you will move to the page called as My Courses, and in My Courses there is a search tab. In search tab you have to type CTET. Once you will type CTET, course along with the fees will be displayed downwards, and hence you can get enrolled to the course. If you are not able to understand by these steps, then you can simply contact us on this WhatsApp numbers and can get enrolled to the course. Without any further ado, let us begin with today's lecture. And once you can mention your names so that we can be live in the chat box, we can lively interact in the chat box. Okay, so the first question is, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 15 meter and its area is 108 meter. Okay, so diagonal of a rectangular field has been mentioned and its dimensions are mentioned, that is equals to 15 meter, and the area of the rectangular field is given, that is 1048 meter square. Please understand, this is meter square. Okay, so what is the cost of fencing of the field at rupees 50.50 per meter? So you have to understand that there is one rectangular field and we have to fence it. So basically we do the fencing for certain reasons so that animals don't get inside the fencing ground, and for that reason we do the fencing in that region. Okay, so they have given us the costing for the fencing, that is equal to 50.50 per meter, as well as they have given us the dimension of the diagonal, that is 15 meter. Okay, so we have to find what will be the cost of fencing this particular rectangular field. So first thing that you have to understand, for fencing we have to find whether area or perimeter. This is the first question. Okay, so as we know, perimeter defines the boundary of any particular area or the region. So fencing is also done in the outer boundary of the field. Am I right? Hence we have to calculate the perimeter first, and based upon the perimeter we can evaluate the cost of fencing. Okay, so now this is the basic question that we can solve. The first step that you have to do here is, okay, just give a second. Here, so I'll draw a small diagram of a rectangular field and a diagonal that we have to take as 15 meter. Okay, now we know the diagonal of a rectangular field can be given as under root of L square plus B square. Yes, how I have taken this? I have taken based upon the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so diagonal is equal to, what is Pythagoras theorem? We know Pythagoras theorem, right? So here diagonal is equal to under root of L square plus B square. So we know what are the dimensions for diagonal, that is equals to 15 meter. This is equal to under root of L square plus B square. Okay, so can I take squaring on both the sides? So that to remove out this square root, I can take squaring on both sides. If I take square of 15, I'll get 225 meter. Similarly, taking the square root of this RHS side, will get L square plus B square. Okay, now we got the value for L square plus B square, that is equals to 225. At the same time, what is given here? They have given us the area, and we know the area of the rectangular field is twice of L into B. Yes, sorry, L into B. So here what I'll do, I'll multiply 2 on the both the sides. Why come? I'll tell you. Okay, I'm multiplying. We know the area of the rectangular field is equals to length into breadth. Basically, I'm multiplying here by 2 on both the sides, LHS as well as on the RHS side. Okay, so now given area is what? Given area is 108. So I'll substitute in the place of area 108. This will give me twice of length into breadth. Okay, so in simplification, in the basic foundation classes, I have taught you simplification, right? In simplification, I have given you a basic formula, that was L plus B the whole square, L plus B the whole square, or A plus B the whole square can be written as L square plus B square plus 2AB. Yes, so based upon this formula only, I am going to substitute certain values over here. So which values? We know L plus B the whole square. Okay, so I'll write this as, just give me a minute, I'll about this. We are taking some time for this starting question, but once we'll get the formula for diagonal, area and the perimeter, then we can easily solve all of the questions easily, okay, without any lag. So L plus B the whole square can be written as L square plus B square plus 2AB. We know the value for L square plus B square from this box, that is equals to 225. Okay, so what I'll do here is simply I'll take L square plus B square plus 2LB, as I'll take L square plus B square, that is equal to 225. Yes, can I take this as 225? Yes. Simply 2LB can also be written as 108 into 2. Yes, am I right? I have just substituted these two values in this particular formula, that is L plus B the whole square is equal to L square plus B square plus 2AB. We know the value of L square plus B square, that is equal to 225. Yes, plus 2LB. 2LB is what? 2LB is 108 into 2. What is 108 into 2? That will give us 216. Right? So do 225 plus 216. That will give me 441. Now we have got the value of L plus B the whole square. We can find the value of perimeter from this. Now we know the formula of perimeter. What is the formula for the perimeter, sir? 2LB. So here I am getting square root on the both sides. I'll get the value of L plus B is equal to 21. Got it? Yes. So in this way we have got what? Simply we have got the value of L plus B. Okay. If I multiply it by 50.50, now try to understand that we have got the perimeter. Perimeter is equals to 21. We have got the perimeter that is equal to 21. If I am multiplying this perimeter with the cost of fencing, I'll get the whole cost of fencing. Yes, I'll get the whole cost of fencing. Now we know the per meter value is equals to 5.50 and we got the value of perimeter that is equal to 21 into 5.50. It means we'll get the whole cost of fencing. So the correct answer for this given question will be 2121. Okay, once again I'll explain you. Based upon 3 formulas we have solved the question. You can let me know in the comment section if you are not able to understand. Okay. Here I have given you a rectangular field and there was a diagonal length was given that is equals to 15 meter. Okay. The second thing that you have to make sure is what is the area and what is the perimeter. Okay. Based upon the perimeter we can say the cost of fencing or we can evaluate the cost of fencing. Okay. So based upon diagonal formula, based upon the area formula and based upon the perimeter formula we have calculated the whole question. This was again a simple question, okay, that can be directly asked in your examination, so keep in mind. Moving on to the next question. Now they have given here the perimeter of a rectangular field table is equal to 48. Now this is a very simple question. Okay, so the perimeter they have mentioned of a rectangular field that is equal to 48 centimeter. Next thing that they have mentioned is the area that is equal to 128 centimeter square. Please note this is it as 128 centimeter square. They have asked us to calculate the length of the table. So we know what is the perimeter. Twice of L plus B. Twice of L plus B is the perimeter of any rectangle. So this is the perimeter. So putting these values in the given formula, the perimeter is equals to 48 centimeter, ma'am, and this as it is twice of L plus B. Similarly, we know the formula for area. Area is equal to what? L into B. And what is the given area? That is equal to 128 centimeter square. Okay, this is the area. This is the perimeter. We have to find the length of the table. Okay, now simply looking at the area formula only we can calculate the whole answer. How come? We simply have to find the length. There is no need to find the breadth, right? We have to find the length. So try to check the options over here and find the number in which you can find the multiple and will get the answer 128. So if we look at 16, we'll go by option wise. Okay, in table of 10 we can find 128. No, we cannot find 128 in the table of 10. Similarly, we cannot find the 128 in the table of 18, as well as we cannot find the 128 in the table of 12, but yes, we can find 128 in the table of 16, hence it is the multiple of 16. So this is the only case where answer can come 128. So this is the correct answer for the given question. Okay, you don't have to solve all of the question over here. You simply can find the multiple and give the answer. Okay, so perimeter was given, area was given, so L into B is 128. So find such a number in which we can find or we can get the 128 in its table. Okay, moving on to the question number 3. Question number 3 is given the length of the diagonal of a square is equal to 12 centimeter. Find its area. Again a very simple question. Okay, they have given us a square as well as the diagonal's length has been mentioned, that is equal to 12 centimeter. We have to find the area. Now first formula that you have to know for a diagonal of a square, diagonal of a square is equal to side under root of 2. Okay, this is the formula for the diagonal of the square. The second formula that we have already studied in the previous class, that is area of the square is equal to side square. Okay, based upon these two formula you can simply solve this question. Now diagonal is equal to side square, so diagonal given is 12 centimeter is equal to side square. Can I write like this? Side under root of 2. Yes, so side is equal to, this is in multiplication, if I take this under root on this side, this will go in division, so this will be 12 under root of 2. This will give me side that is equal to 12 under root of 2. Now can I substitute these sides for whatever the value that has come in this particular formula? Yes, I can. So area is equal to side square, that is equal to 12 under root of 2 square. So what is the square for 12? 12 into 12. Can I take like this? Yes. What is under root of 2 into under root of 2? Under root of 2 into under root of 2 will give me 2. Yes. So I'll write here. So this will give me value of something went wrong. Just a second. Diagonal given is 12 centimeter. So diagonal is side under root of 2, that will give me 12 centimeter. Okay, so side is equals to what? Side is equal to 12 under root of 2. I'll keep it as it is. Okay, so here you have to find the area. Yes, so area is the side square, that will give me 12 into 12 under root of 2 into under root of 2. Yes, so this will give me 6. Or simply one thing that you can do here is multiply under root of 2 on both the sides, that is denominator as well as numerator. What we are going to get here is 12 under root of 2 divided by 2. This will give me 6 under root of 2. Okay, so side we got 6 under root of 2. What I have done, simply whatever the value that has come, I have multiplied it by under root of 2 on denominator as well as in the numerator. Once I will multiply it, I will get the value 6 under root of 2. Now we can simply calculate it, that is area is equal to side square, that will give me 6 under root of 2 square. What is square? Square for 6 are 36. What is square of root 2? Root 2 into root 2 will give me 2. So the value for this is area is 72 centimeters square. Got it? So in this way you can calculate the answer. Here the diagonal formula and area formula for the square is important. Diagonal is equal to side under root of 2 and area is equal to side square. Based upon these two formulas we have calculated this question. Now what is question number 4 talking about? The area of square inscribed in a circle of radius 8 centimeter. We have to find the area of square which is inscribed in a circle. What does this mean? It means that there is a square inside a circle. Okay, just a second, we'll try to yes. Now this particular square is inscribed in a circle and the radius of the circle has been mentioned. For example, this is the radius. Okay, The radius is 8 centimeter, and we know what is the diameter of a circle. Diameter is double of the radius. So we can consider this diameter as 16 centimeter. Am I right? If the radius is 8 centimeter, the diameter will be 16 centimeter. So please consider this square as in this particular way. Okay, I am not able to draw here, but try to understand this. Okay, so this is the point where the circle and the square are touching each other. Okay, so if this is 8 centimeter and this other side is again 8 centimeter, then we can consider the whole diameter as equals to 16 centimeter. If the diameter of this circle is coming 16 centimeter, then diagonal is also the 16 centimeter. Yes. Okay, now we know the formula for diagonal of a square. Right now in the previous question also we have understood it, that side under root of 2 is the formula for the diagonal. Now we know the diagonal's dimension, that is equals to 16 centimeter. Yes, this will give us side. For example, let us consider the side as a centimeter. Okay, so 16 centimeter is equal to a under root of 2. Okay, now we have to find the area of the square. First we'll find the side. A is equal to 16 under root of 2. So this will give me the side of the square. This is the side of the square. Now what is the area of the square? Area of the square is equal to side square. So what will be side square here? 16 under root of 2 square. So 16 into 16 under root into under root 2. I'm just writing here under root into under root 2. Okay, so each time you don't have to do these things. Simply you can take 16 square. We know what is 16 square, that is equals to 256, and under root 2 into under root 2 will give us 2. So 256 divided by 2 will give us 128 centimeters square here. So option number 4 is the correct answer to the given question. Again, based upon two formulas, for the square, diagonal is equal to side under root 2 and the area of square is equal to side square, we have calculated the answer. Okay, moving on to the next question, question number 5. In this particular question, what they have given us? They have given us find the sum of the length of the diagonals of a square with the side 8 square root 2. So you have to take this value as 8 square root 2 centimeter. Okay, here what they have given, they have asked us to calculate the summation of the length of the diagonals. Length of the diagonals, it means this is a square. I'll just draw properly. First, this is 8 under root 2 centimeter. What we have to find, they have given a square and we have to find the summation of the diagonal's length. This is the first diagonal, this is the second diagonal. Their summation of length is the thing that we have to calculate in the given question. Okay, so first thing that you can clearly see here is they have given us a side. Side is what? 8 under root 2. Okay, so simply now look here, what I am doing, 8 under root 2 into under root 2 twice. Can this give me the value? Can this give me the value of diagonals? Can this give me the value of diagonals? Yes, got it. If one side is 8 under root of 2, I am simply multiplying it by under root 2 and taking it twice. Yes, so simply this will give me the value of one diagonal. We know the value of diagonal is side under root 2. Try to understand what I have done. Side under root of 2 is the value for diagonal of a square. Now we know the value of side. Side is under root 8 under root 2 into under root 2. I am taking it twice. Twice will give me the summation of both the diagonals. Got it? This was a simple question. First thing, we must try to understand what is the formula for the diagonal. Diagonal for a square is equal to side into under root 2. Okay, side mentioned was 8 into under root 2. I have simply taken it twice. Got it? Moving on to the next question now. A room is 26 meter long and 15 meter wide. A 14 meter square carpet is laid on the floor. Find the area of the room. What is mentioned? Its length is mentioned. Its width is also mentioned of a room. And a square carpet is laid on the floor. They have told us of 14 meter. We have to find the area of the room which is not carpeted. Okay. For example, this is the whole room. Okay. In this whole room, they have carpeted this certain area. Okay. They have carpeted this area, and this is the non-carpeted region that you have to calculate. This is the whole room. Okay. Now, area of room will be what? Area of room mentioned is, length is mentioned 26 meter. Width is also mentioned, that is equals to 15 meter. So, area will be what? 26 into 15. We know area of a field. So, here carpet is a square shaped. Okay, carpet is a square shaped. So, what will be the area of the carpet? We know for area of any square, we will take side square. So, what will be the carpet area? 14 into 14, side square. Okay. So, if we do area of the room minus the area of carpeted region, we will get the area of non-carpeted region. Am I right? Area of the room minus this particular area will give me this area. Yes. So, in this way we can calculate it. So, what you have to do is 15 into 26. That will give me 15 6 19, and this will give me 39, that is 390, and 14 into 14, that is 14 ka square, that will give me 196. So, simply you have to do 390 minus 196. So, option number B, that is 194, will be the correct answer to the given question. Got it? Yes. So, such type of questions can be asked. You have to prepare this question. These questions are totally based upon the 2D structures. Okay. Any doubt, you can let me know in the comment section. So, moving on to the next question. The width of a rectangular floor of a room is given, that is 5 by 8 of its length. If the area of the room is 250 meters square, what will be its perimeter? This is the question. So, try to understand the question first. The width of a rectangular floor of the room is 5 by 8 of the length. So, let us consider the length is equal to x centimeter. So, the width is what? 5 by 8 of x. Yes, width is equal to what? So, we have taken the length is equal to x centimeter. So, width is equal to what? 5 by 8 of x. So, I can consider this as, I can rewrite this as a W upon, let us consider this as L only. Okay, 1 minute. Let the length of the rectangular floor be L centimeter. Width is what? 5 by 8 times of the length. 5 by 8 times of the length. Okay. So, can I rewrite this as width upon length as 5 by 8? Yes. Simply I have taken on this side, and this will go in denominator. So, W upon L is equal to 5 by 8. This is the value that we have got. So, can I take width is equal to 5x and length is equal to 8x? Yes. So, now we got the width, we got the length, and we know the area of the room. We know area is equals to what? 250 meter square. So can I take this as length into width? This will give me area. Area is equal to length into width, right? So 250 is equal to length into width. Now we know what is length. Length is equal to 8x and width is equals to what? 5x. So 250 is equals to 5 8s are 40x. So I'll get the value of x is equal to, sorry, x square, not x, okay, x square. So the value of x square is equal to 250 upon 40. This will give me x square is equal to 25 divided by 4. This will give me the value of x is equal to 25 is the square of 5 and 2 is square of, sorry, 2 square is equals to 4. So this will give me x is equal to 5 by 2. Now we got the value of x. Can I put this value of x in this width and length? Yes. So 5 into 5 by 2 and 8 into 5 by 2 will give me length. This is giving me 25 upon 2 and this is giving me 2 4s are, this is equals to 20 centimeter, right? So now we know the perimeter's formula, twice of L into B. Yes, so we know the value of length, that is equal to 25 by 2, value of the breadth, that is equals to 20. Put it in the equation given here, formula, that is 25 by 2. Okay, here I'll get 2 into, taking the LCM, I'll get 65 by 2. How come? I have simply multiplied 2 on denominator as well as in the numerator side. So I'll get 40 by 2 plus 25 by 2, that is equals to 65 by 2. 2 into 65 by 2 will give me 65 meters. That is option number A is the perimeter of the given rectangular floor. Here simply we have taken the value of width as 5x and length as 8x. Okay, and we know the value for the area, we know the formula for area as well as the formula for the perimeter, and based upon that we have calculated the value of area, that is giving me here 5 by 2. So I have actually this is not giving us the value of area here, this is actually giving us the value of x. We know the value of area, that is equals to 250 meters square. Okay, got it? So in this way we have calculated some of the questions based upon the mensuration topic, and this particular topic is quite important. You have to prepare it for mathematics paper 1 as well as for the paper 2. Okay, so in this way we are concluding today's lecture. Thank you for watching it. I hope you have liked the video. Once you have got all the question, try to resolve it on your basis. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. If you want to get enrolled to this particular course from the basics, you can contact us on this given WhatsApp number, which is 8669316919 or 8179138413, and get enrolled to the course, or by the global online application platform also you can get enrolled to the course. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day everyone. Bye.